Hey ladies, welcome once again to my channel. My name is Jessica. For those of you who don't know me, I do all things pink. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. So as you know from the title of the video, I am going shopping. I'm gonna meet up with my mom. She has to go do some blood tests, but then right after that we will be going to shopping around maybe backstage, Macy's backstage, and there's Target, but I'm not sure. But I mostly want to go to see Macy's backstage and see what they have, what new things are there, if there are any Easter decorations or spring. If you want to keep on watching, please stay tuned. I'll be taking you along. And yes, so I'll see you guys in a few. I'm gonna finish getting ready and head out the door. So I just finished coming out from the lab. And yeah, so now off to the store. So here we are. There are different stores here. There's Target, Macy's backstage, and I'm gonna go check the stores and see what they have new. So come with me. Here we are going inside the mall. And yes, mommy. So yeah, we're here backstage. Let's see what they have new. Pink stuff. So this is what I found. Let's see what there is. ¿Está viendo, ve? It's beautiful stuff. Yeah, the purses. Look at this beautiful one. Wow. So cute. Juicy Couture. Este cuál es Betty Jones. So cute. Wow. So now we're here at the bedding sets. Let's see what they have. Como esto ahí. Beautiful city. That was cute for Valentine's Day. Now we're here at the bathroom section. Yeah. Organizing. Just the fact is, I don't like this bar. When it gets heavy, it bends. Cute curtains. Kids room. Oh, this is so cute. This is so cute. Así. We have pets. This is the pet section. So cute. Look at that. Oh, look at this lamp. Yeah, that reminds me of the TV show from the 1990s. You know what I mean? You know. Look what I found to make your peppermint martinis.
No dice, ¿no ve? In front special.
Just add some vodka. I wonder how this would taste. So cute. $7.99. Look what I'm spying. I'm gonna check that right now.
Mira, se lo han sacado.
Oh, this is so cute. Blessed. Wow, look at these tumblers. Damn, this is huge. Oh, this is what I'm looking. This is so cute. Look at this. It's $12.99. I'm liking this place. This is how much? $12.99 as well. I thought this was a set, but it's to purchase individual. Some scenery. This is so cute. Oh, that's all I spy. Target.
Ay, quería entrar a este. Por ahí me compraba.
Yeah, no dejo. Like that. So now we're here at Target, or like others would say Target. Look what there is. Let's see what I find. Search for anything pink. I see there's some spring clothing coming out already. And look at this. Spring stuff. Let's look. They're very thick though. Found here $10 shirts. This is so cute. Mami, hay poleras de $10. Sweaters are going. Shorts. I don't know if I will be wearing shorts this summertime. Oh, look what I really cool. Looks baggy. With the shirt. These sweaters are so cute. Here is the plus size. They actually have pretty good selections of spring clothing.
Check it.
Dresses. Here are the purses. I'm spying something. I'm gonna go check that out. See what that is. This bag is so cute, and it's only $35. This one is $30, which is pretty good. I don't know which one to take. Another purse. This looks cute, but I don't think it will fit around my waist. Let's see what they have here. Oh, here are some music on $5. I don't know what you think. Here's the Easter stuff. Oh, this looks so cute. There's a little egg hunting. Here we are. Can't come through this aisle because it is so tempting that I don't even know what to get, which I'm sure I will be ending up not getting anything from this aisle because I literally have to stop eating this. Oh God, but it's so delicious. So let's do a little mini grocery haul shopping from Target. I got my bagels. I love my bagel with everything on it. And I got this whipped cream, the original one. It was $2.50. Yeah, it wasn't a circle. I think it was something 3 or something. And here, let's see what else I got this wieners for hot dogs. They were on sale. I mean, it's good. There's 10 pieces. So yeah, this was also to something. I also got this Smuckers and grape jelly squeeze. This was also, I think, 3 something. I mean, it's great for the size. There was another one, but this is good. I love grape, so I got that. And then I also got some like first aid stuff, some Alka-Seltzer. This is for my hubby since sometimes he gets heartburns, but we also always carry for our invites. And Benadryl, of course, is for me because I do have allergies. I know Benadryl is for my allergies when they start kicking in. So yeah, that's all I got. So that was all for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed it and like it, and thank you so much for watching this video. And for those of you who are new, welcome to my channel. I hope you stay with us. Don't forget to give it a like, comment down below what you would like to see in the next videos, as well as to don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell for notifications when the next video is up. Thank you so much, and until next time.